The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. G'day ladies and gentlemen, hope you're having a fantastic start to your day. It's Trader Cobb here. Well, my name's actually Craig Cobb. Who am I trying to kid? Guys, I want to go through and have a look at the markets. It's a little bit more rosy today on what it was yesterday. And of course, it just depends on what goddamn chart you're looking at as to how rosy that picture becomes, I suppose. If I take you through right now this top 10 and walk you through a couple of the things that I'm seeing, and I'll talk to them. Like, for example, Bitcoin. I mean, look, we've got to talk about this bad boy. If I look at the Bitfinex charts, and guess what? I am. We're sitting at 70, sorry, wouldn't it be nice to be saying 70? $70,527, and I have officially retired. No, at $5,741. Now, of course, it's up on the Bitfinex chart. Now, I do say Bitfinex because it's very different pricing to the XBT BitMEX and the Coinbase prices. But, you know, it's still moving. It's got a really nice trend, and it's broken to new highs in that daily trend. Whereas if I jump across the Coinbase, have a look here. It's pushed on. Look, it's up 1.42%, whereas Bitcoin on the Bitfinex chart is up 1.98%. So $74 against 111. But we have ticked along. You know, we are just grinding away. The high on Coinbase that we've really got to crack through is 56.50. 50 flat is what we've got to get through, and look, it'd be just fine and dandy for that to happen over the weekend. One other thing I can tell you right now is this: we have a little 2-day candle on that Bitcoin chart. So for those of you who are watching this, you can see what I'm talking about. For those of you who are listening, you just have to imagine it sitting right in between the cradle zone, in between that 10 and 20 period moving average is a small green candle that has been broken to the upside. This is talking to the 2-day candle. Now, if I go to the 4-day candle, which is a double multiple of the 2-day, of course, it's done the same sort of thing, but not quite as easy to see there. So a really nice move right now going on in Bitcoin. Not anything over the top, not anything too crazy. And there's still the potential that we don't break out to the new highs on Coinbase, in which case it'll be what it will be. But right now, ticking along, depending on which chart you're looking at, around 2% or 1.5% up on Bitcoin today. Be really nice to see it blast through some levels. A nice 4-hour trend there on Bitfinex as well. That's very worthwhile talking about, as the trend is worthy. Now let's look at the rest of the top 10. I actually took a trade long on Ethereum yesterday. Anybody who's on the VIP or LTF scans, or actually even in the Market View subscription service there, guys. I've been talking about Ethereum, and I've been stalking Ripple for quite a while. I took both. with 0.5% risk, and I actually walked through it all yesterday in a Facebook and YouTube live. I think we've even got it up on Instagram as well, so you can go and have a look at that video if you want to. It should be on YouTube and in my socials. So it's you know, I'm long. I got my stop in. I'm happy. Pretty easy to sit back and relax now. Looking for a 1-to-1. I split my Ethereum position and my my XRP position at 0.5% each, just to make sure that I didn't have too much risk, as we don't have the strongest trends in the market right now. First pullback in the new trend really is when I'm looking to capitalize for a bigger move, but in the same respect, because that does carry a little bit more risk, I just run with a little bit more caution there. EOS right now, the 4-hour, pretty sideways. It's currently let me say, Ethereum on the Bitfinex charts, $169.54, up 1.1%. today. EOS is sitting right smack bang on $5, which is the old support and resistance levels. It'd be nice to see it just bust through that. Today's session would be fine. 0.5% up right now. Stellar Lumens is currently down 1.3%, just sort of hovering in that sell zone at the moment. Neither here nor there for me as a trader. Not really the best chart structure that I'm after. Ripple's the other trade that I took yesterday. It's just been hanging on by a teensy wincy little spider. Currently a little bit above my stop loss right now, which is good. It's at 31.6 cents, down 0.35%. Litecoin, geez, it goes through these hot and cold periods, doesn't it? It was hot for a while, through the start of the year. Litecoin was hot property, so hot right now. Right now, though, ain't so hot, ain't so crash hot. The 4-day chart, randomly enough, has a great looking little candle there. Really, really nice looking candle in that cradle zone. Look, waiting to see what it does next, but right now it's up 0.16%, sitting at $77 flat. Bitcoin Cash down 0.38%, sitting at 282. Now I'm talking to the Bitfinex chart when I talk to you about these markets, other than when I talk about Binance, because it's on the Binance platform. Against US dollar tether, it's up 8% at $23.62 today. A really strong move. The top mover in the top 10, one of the bigger performers out there across the entire market. I can tell you this because I did my scan with my members not long ago. Tron is down 0.5% at 2.4 cents. We've got Cardano down 1% there with a little bearish candle in that cradle zone. Not one that I'm looking to trade realistically. I'm just waiting to see what the next move is, and that covers our top 10 for this wonderful Friday morning. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to have a fantastic weekend. I also want you to go across to tradercobb.com/free tools if you haven't already. Get yourself on the bi-weekly video newsletter. Get yourself across the courses. Get yourself plugged into as much free content as what we do, and get yourself ready to get involved and learn to trade these strategies. Because when the market goes burko, I want you involved. Have a good day. Bye for now. This show is proudly sponsored by coinspot.com.au, with the largest range of cryptocurrencies anywhere in the Australian market. With an updated verification process, you can now be verified using only your driver's license or passport within seconds. You can instantly deposit funds and instantly start buying and selling your favorite cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes. CoinSpot are giving away $10 worth of free Bitcoin for each verified user once they make their first deposit. Just go to coinspot.com.au/BTC123. Views are of the advertiser, not Trader Cobb or the audio presenter.